that blood flowing. Get them arms moving. Okay, get them toes up front, get the heel in the back, sink it in. Going. Alright, let's just simulate a step. Keeping them toes near the front of that ring. And that heel going down. Just like you were stepping up a hill. Alright, now let's do the heels high. Now we step down with the toes like we're going downhill. Alright, just like we're hiking, just not going anywhere. Alright, take a little break. Alright, next we're going to do one leg. How long can you do it? It takes some work. You can see it's not easy for me either, but practice makes perfect. Alright, switch legs. Doing better on my left than my right. Alright, shake it off. Alright, get those arms moving. Flap like a bird. The weight from your arms to bounce you, and just a little bit with your legs. Alright, now put your arms forward. Alright, side to side. Far as you can go. Alright, shake it out. Guys, let's just simulate a walk. Kind of tough on a trampoline because it soaks up a lot of your energy. This will burn some calories. You can feel a lot more resistance than if you were just walking on the ground. At least there is for me. Shake it out. Doing good. Now, I like to add weights. Lightweight. Couple pounds. That's it. Good workout for your shoulders. Just a couple pounds worth of weight. You just alternate between the front and alongside. like this, right side up. And go out. Alright. Shake it out. Alright, good job. Whew. Good job.